think, what do I love about Far Eastern Asian cuisine? Sophistication and craftsmanship. Pyrotechnics and drama, of course. The flavors, the spices, and of course, the incredible variety. So here at Bamboo Lagoon, let's set sail on an awesome Asian adventure. Today I'm kind of feeling like I'm on a movie set, like Tropical Thunder or Kung Fu Panda or something like this, you know? Because at Bamboo Lagoon, I mean, you have obviously the bamboo, but I hear the waterfalls, I see the fish, I saw some turtles. Your place is super cool.
Well, here we take you through experience through different parts of Asia. And through our travel through Asia, we have picked up cuisines.
And I can see an array of things that I've seen before in other countries. So let's start over here. This is, I think, one of my favorites is the deep fried fish, kind of from Thailand with the crispy garlic and
crispy garlic. It's got some tamarind, some chilies as a dip. Here we have got chicken satay, but cooked in the form of a dim sum.
Okay.
Here we have got again, it's a laksa. It's a soup from Malaysia. Traditional, very
Oh, these
flavorful.
like little quail eggs.
Quail eggs, yes.
Beautiful.
We got tempuras over here. We have got sushis from different parts of Asia. The flavors have been picked up from different countries, different cuisines.
Okay.
So it's an assortment of delicious,
Great idea.
flavorful sushis.
Definitely.
There we have got Mongolian barbecue.
Okay.
Okay, which is again done in the Chinese way with lots of sauces and it's quick stir fry. And then Indonesian crackers, dim sums.
I think you pretty much hit all of them, but I know though the star of the show is what I have right here beside me,
Yes.
and I hear you're pretty famous at making
This
this.
is beef rendang. Okay, Indonesian dish which is being served tonight here with Malaysian roti jala.
Perfect. So I mix it together, right?
Yes, you'll be having the curry with the roti. The
Okay.
curry has got flavors of lemongrass, it has got ginger, it has got some garlic, chilies, and tomato.
I'm gonna try to avoid the chili because I see the look on your face like he's just waiting for me to bite a big piece of chili. So I'm gonna really look hard to avoid that.
Enjoy the flavors. Yes, I'm sure you'll like it.
This is really good. It reminds me kind of like a tom yum soup, actually, the Thai style with the ginger and the garlic, and I feel it's like galangal and stuff.
It has
you
got
put
some
inside.
galangal, it's got some kaffir lime,
Yeah.
and then lots of fried onion on the top as a garnish.
Really good. And actually, the fried onion on top brings another element. You have the crunchiness on top, which is really good. You know, the only thing is, I wish it was like saucier, or maybe the sauce is at the bottom.
The sauce is at the bottom, yes, and
you need to
it's not a curry. It is a dry it's a dry curry.
That's
not
why.
not too much of sauce in
My
it.
mind is thinking like saucy, and I'm gonna drip all my juice and everything inside, but it's still really nice. Maybe I can ask the chef for a little extra juice or something.
Done.
So
Absolutely.
let's see if I can get some more juice, and also we're gonna do the chef challenge. Are you up for it?
Yes, absolutely.
Great. I don't know what is gonna happen with the chef because I just tried this green curry, and it was your Thai chef that prepared it,
Yes,
right?
Thai chef prepared it.
It's so good. It's so good. And you know, the chef, he gave me a fork, and it was like a punishment because all the juice was ripping down, and he made me lick the fork, and I had to beg him for a spoon because the sauce is so rich, and it is so creamy, and it is amazing. You close your eyes, you are in Thailand. So this better be astounding for the
Absolutely.
street food. Let's see,
Absolutely.
how did you convert this into that?
See, what we have done here is this is a traditional Thai green curry with steamed rice. Now the rice we have converted to a crispy rice cracker.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the base. And the green curry we have done, we have stir fried the chicken with a green curry paste, and we put it on top of the rice cracker. The flavors from the curry, which is the kaffir lime leaf, the galangal, the basil, they have all been powdered, and then we have put it on the top for the flavor. There's no coconut milk as such, but we have put dried coconut on the top. So all the ingredients which has been used for a green curry have been used there, but instead of a curry and rice, we have got a street food, which is basically a rice cracker with a green curry on the top.
I think it's a super good idea because, I mean, to grab and go, the only thing is I was really afraid it was going to just fall apart everywhere. So on the street food, it's a little bit difficult because it'd be a little bit messy. But you do. You have
When
every
you got to use your hand, you got to have it. So it's,
your hand
it's,
and your napkin, so it doesn't get all over you. But the elements are perfect. And actually, I'm a big fan of crispy stuff. So I do like the element of the crunchiness of the rice inside, and then I still all the flavors and also the coconut, and then you have the what's in there
the
as well.
coffee,
You
the
have
coffee lime,
the kaffir lime,
the ginger, and some basil.
and all the flavors. It's exactly Thailand in your mouth, and it's. Oh, you know how hard this is gonna be to pick a chef's challenge. You know, we always have to pick a winner.
Yeah.
I don't know. it's a really difficult one because
Okay, we got
I
one here.
love the crispiness, you know,
Yeah.
and I love this one. And I know don't
You
go,
can
look
still
look
mix.
over there. Look a panda, and you put a little bit of maybe the cream on top because the flavor is just absolutely
Slash
delicious.
some coconut cream, yes.
So
We
please,
have got one something which is very traditional and something which is a sort of a new world
it's a
Asian
great,
food.
it's definitely a great combo. But also, you know, I can feel the heat again burning in my mouth. So do you think we can do a little bit of dessert to cool me down?
Yes, absolutely. Right after this.
The chef has absolutely killed me today. I've eaten everything on his menu. We went around to all the stations. You offered me so much delicious food. He gave me one too many chilies. Thank you so much. But at least
But
you're gonna,
this-
you're gonna refresh me a little bit. I already had a little bite just to cool myself down, and it's really nice. More coconuts, but
Yes. What we have here, Andrea, is jellied water chestnuts. A very simple yet very traditional Thai dessert. Very exotic, I would say.
Looks like rubies.
Look like rubies. It's called taptim krob, which means crispy rubies.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why the color is also like a ruby. And it's got sweetened coconut milk. It's got jackfruit. And the entire, the idea behind adding the crushed ice is after you have a very spicy meal, this actually tones down your stomach so you feel more relaxed and you enjoy the dessert.
Yeah, this is definitely a great end to the meal. And I know you have so many other desserts. And just what else you have here? You have
So we have
green
some-
variety.
Yeah, there are a lot of green desserts here. That's a pandana pancake with coconut and jaggery filling. We got some tapioca dumplings with sweet coconut, desiccated coconut on the top. And we got sticky rice and sesame cake.
Oh, perfect. So let's try a little bit of the other
Yes.
ones. I will definitely be digging in. And I thank
How
you
was
so
this?
much, Chef. It was delicious. And now no more spice, but I am full. And I will definitely be back here again. So why don't we get on that sushi boat and take a sail out of here?
Yes, absolutely.